Okay, March 27th, Sergio's fourth adjustment now. Starting to get a little more movement with the left hand when he coughs. Interesting thing with Sergio, this has been 8 months now, he hasn't been sick once in 8 months. His body is I don't know why, but that's the body protecting itself. So we're gonna go in, open that atlas on the left side. Alright, Sergio. Cerebro, reconectar el cerebro para tu cuerpo. Good, respira. Is that left arm starting to move now? That's good. Stimulating something in there. Okay, that left arm movement. And then we go C2. Atlas and axis. So, beautiful. Respira. Good. Alright. Getting there. Open that hand. Now you can open it. There you go. There you go. That's all you, man. This body's, it wants to heal itself.